Everyone's warning companies about the need to dramatically clean up and organize all their files before they can safely deploy Copilot. They talk about curating documents and correcting permissions as if that's something that can be done in an afternoon. No. For many companies, we're talking weeks or even months. The good news is that no matter how disorganized your environment is, there's a simple way to make the job of curation much easier. What if you could just delete 65% of your documents before you undertake curation? Strangely enough, you can, and it's as easy as it sounds. Like a lot of companies involved in the Microsoft platform, curating environments and getting them ready for Copilot is a hot topic for us. Something that emerged through our analysis of the situation was the surprising statistic that most knowledge workers in the M365 environment would delete approximately 65% of their documents if they just had time to do so. That surprised us, and so we verified it as best we could. These users know they have rot, redundant, outdated, and trivial, that is, and they know right where it is, in abandoned teams and channels, bloated SharePoint libraries, and swollen OneDrives. Just giving them time to delete their rot will significantly reduce the cost and the time required to organize the remainder and become ready for Copilot. Spread the word and encourage people to go through an initial deletion effort before they curate for Copilot readiness. Tell a colleague, spread the word. And thanks for watching.